One of the advantages of the HeartHero Elliot AED is it takes standard CR123 batteries. Now, we'd always recommend Duracell batteries, although it will take other brands, but the unit's been tested with Duracell and they do give the best possible results. So the 123 battery is a simple small unit. It's very similar to that's used in a camcorder battery, and you can buy them in individuals or in packs of 10. Now, we do sell these batteries, but you can buy these from any store. So the idea is you can go out and buy batteries from anywhere. Depending on how much you've turned the unit on and off, the batteries will last around about 3 years. To change the batteries, it's very straightforward. Just take the unit, on the side there's the battery cover, you just lift up the flap, undo the cover, screw that out. Make sure you don't lose this. You can buy replacements, but they're quite expensive because of the way it's designed and the gold coating over the actual cover. So make sure you put that safely and you're not going to lose it. The batteries themselves go in the end here. So literally you just take the batteries out. So you've got 4 batteries and then you put it back in with the negative side down. So that's the black end down, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then take the cover, pop the cover back on, and then you screw it back in place. Now, I won't tighten that fully up now because when you do put the batteries back in, it will go through a full self-test. So what it's doing then, same as when you first got the unit, it'll run through the entire self-test process. Once that's done, the unit's ready to use. So, having that, just doing it tight, always make sure that is fully tight when you do yours. So the other advantage of having the HeartHero Elliot case is you can store spare batteries in the top of it. The batteries don't come with the case, but it's quite easy to put spare batteries in there. So you've always got batteries if you need them.